Just a little pixie dust.
I feel like I never give a room tour of the hotels I stay in, because when I'm taking care of my mom on a trip, I have to get her in and get her settled, and everything gets messed up before I can show you the beautiful room. Huge screen TV here at the Wyndham Garden on Hotel Plaza Boulevard. 2 big queen-size beds. And the window has 2 shades, so you can let a little sun in or no sun in. And they also have these handy-dandy hooks, and it's all lit up on the wall. It just really helps. And here I am, fresh off of the road trip for 17 hours. Don't I look pretty? I don't. Oh, I have a nice big closet. It must be locked on one side. And then we have the bathroom. Pretty standard bathroom. There's a toilet, and there's a tub that's nice and pretty and white and clean. Kind of like that, don't you? And that, my friends, is the tour of the room that I don't normally give here at the Wyndham Garden. And the reason why I don't normally give it is because I pack so much crap, and it's about to be all over the room. This is one of my favorite Good Neighbor hotels. Any Good Neighbor hotel that's near Disney Springs on Hotel Plaza Boulevard, mwah. But for some reason, the Wyndham Garden has my heart. I like the hotel bar pool here. Their spa is always working, the hot tub. I don't know. It's become one of my favorite places. Oh, and they have a Mickey-shaped garden I'll have to show you. Well, everything fits. It's all unpacked. I've got suitcases in closets and blankets on beds, and all my clothes are laid out in the suitcase. I just leave it open since it's just me traveling by myself. I may be by myself, but I think you might have noticed that I pack enough for a family of 4. So if I can fit in this room, I think a family can too.
2,000 years later.
Hey! Come back, wherever you are!